If you've ever wondered how to access cloud saves on Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to make sure cloud saves are enabled and syncing properly in the Epic Games launcher, so you can keep your progress safe and pick up right where you left off on another device. This is especially useful if you play on more than one PC, reinstall a game, or just want the peace of mind that your saved progress is backed up. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once it loads, look for your profile icon in the lower left or top area depending on your layout, and click it. From there, go into Settings. This is where Epic Games keeps a lot of your launcher options, including cloud save settings. Inside Settings, look for the option that says Enable Cloud Saves. Make sure this is turned on. If cloud saves are disabled, your game progress may not sync the way you expect, so this step is really important. After confirming that cloud saves are enabled, go to your library. Your library is where all of your installed and owned games are listed, and it's the best place to launch the game you want to sync. Once you're in library, find the game you want to use cloud saves with and launch it from there. When the game starts, Epic Games will automatically handle the cloud sync process in the background, as long as the game supports cloud saving and the feature is turned on. If you're switching devices, this is what makes the process so helpful. As long as you sign in with the same Epic Games account, your cloud save can be pulled down when you launch the game again. That means your progress, settings, and in many cases, your saved data can follow you across devices without needing to copy files manually. If you don't see your saves syncing right away, give it a moment. Sometimes the launcher or the game needs a few seconds to connect and check for the latest cloud version. Also, make sure you're online and signed into the correct account. If cloud saves still aren't working, double-check that the game actually supports Epic Cloud Saves, since not every title has the feature available. So to recap, open Epic Games Launcher, go to your profile icon and settings, turn on Enable Cloud Saves, head to Library, and launch your game. That's the simplest way to access cloud saves on Epic Games and make sure your progress is protected. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.